Today I'm going to show you how to make these cool looking origami hearts with US currency. You can use any bill, but I like to use the $5 bill as I think it looks the coolest. So the first step we're going to do is fold the bill directly in half while making sure that all of our edge pieces are aligned in the process. Once you do that, you can go ahead and open up the bill again, and then we're going to fold each side into the center. So we're going to do the right side, and then we're going to do the same on the left side as well. From here, we're going to flip the bill upside down like this, and we're going to fold in each of the edge pieces on the top. So we're going to fold it along this center line that was created in the first fold that we made. So we're going to go ahead and fold this side down here, and we're going to do the same on the left, making sure that this is about as even as you can make it. Now this next step is going to be the trickiest, but if you stick with it, it will turn out nicely. So we're going to go ahead and take this top piece here, and we're going to fold it right along this piece that we created. Just like that. So we're basically butting it up against that. And then from here, you're going to take your finger and you're going to follow that crease all the way until it makes a pocket like this. And you're going to do the same for the other side as well. Now once you're able to make those, you're going to go ahead and fold them into place like this by putting pressure on them and making sure that they are straight up and down when you're making this fold. And then the last thing we have to do is go ahead and pull in these sides here. And there you have it. This is the origami heart. Hopefully you were able to follow along and create the finished origami heart product. Please make sure to leave the video a like and subscribe for more.